So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a slip knot. This is really important when you're crocheting as you use it to make a chain and many other things. So let's get started. So we're going to get a nice long piece of yarn, and you see this is like the tail end. We're going to pick this up and we're just going to like move it over the top of the long end, which is still attached to the ball of yarn, and we're going to put over the top like so to make like an E shape. You're then going to grab the E, so we're going to grab it by this bit here, and we're just going to move it over the top of this tail end we have here. So we've got kind of like a pretzel shape going on, and then do you see that there's like this one in the middle, this piece of yarn? We're just going to grab it, we're going to pull it, and then we're going to, with our hand, just like grab both this side and this side of the string, like so. And we're just going to keep pulling. So you might have to pull the long end a bit, but make sure you're still holding on to the short end as well, just so that doesn't come undone. So yeah, keep pulling until you've got the slip knot. And then to tighten it, you're just going to pull the two pieces of string here opposite directions, like so. You can put in your hook, and there we go. That's your slip knot. So make sure to check out the other videos in this playlist. So I'm going to be showing you how to hold your tension, how to make a chain, basically all the basics on how to crochet. Why not check out my book in the description below? It would be a perfect way to test these new crochet skills.